Hello and welcome back to another edition of Cybrary Week in Review. This week we're bringing you an inside look at 2 new courses and some of our practice labs. I'm Thor and today is June 28th. Let's get started. First this week is Introduction to SQL. Watch as Kitt introduces new students to common concepts found in the use of SQL in professional environments that permit the accurate and effective use of SQL language constructs. This beginner course clocks in at over 7 hours, which means it's packed with all the information needed to help you learn SQL. Next, we have another edition of Breaking Stuff with Joe. How to Use Cat gives you a quick overview of the Cisco auditing tool, which is a Kali utility used by scanning Cisco devices to identify common vulnerabilities, weak passwords, and guessable group names. This week, Cybrary rolled out 3 new labs, all delivered by Rangeforce. These are designed to give you a chance to practice your skills in DOM-based XSS, insecure deserialization, and XML external entities. Finally, make sure to check out CompTIA's A+ Core 1 and 2 labs, which will help you pass your CompTIA A+ exam and get that certification. Thank you all for watching and make sure to tune in next week for another edition of Cybrary Week in Review. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments section below. And as always, remember to like and subscribe.